Adding a product to the Amazon catalog is much different than adding a product on eBay. With Amazon, all you need to do is look to see if the product already exists and then add your store as a seller of that product, versus eBay, where every seller creates their own listing. That is absolutely not the case with Amazon. And let me show you what I mean. We're going to use some Mead security envelopes as an example. So first we'll start on Amazon and see if those already exist. You see we have Mead security envelopes, and the ones that we have are the 40 envelopes that are 4 1/8 by 9 1/2. So we're going to go find our 4 1/8 by 9 1/2. Alright, and that is a pack of 3. So if you had 3 of these boxes of envelopes that you wanted to sell, you see there's already a listing created for it. And as I said, all sellers are using the same listing to sell their products. So we're looking at the buy box, and right here you see 8 new sellers. So all of these sellers have the exact same product, but they price at whatever they choose to price it at. So how do you add your store as one of these sellers? It's very simple. You go into your Seller Central account and add a product. So this is my Seller Central account. I go to Inventory, add a product, and we have the Find It on Amazon. We already know it exists because we searched on the main page, but there's actually 2 ways to search right here. Or actually there are several ways, but the 2 most common are by name or by UPC. So we can either type in Mead 40 security envelopes and search that way and see if anything matches. And here it is, our top hit, where we're going to sell our pack of 3. Or another way to do it is if we just put in the UPC code, and our UPC code in this case is 043100 753575, and we search. So there's that same pack of 3 that we looked at before. For some reason Disney Tigger has the same UPC code, but we're going to disregard that and we're going to sell our pack of 3. For my seller SKU, it is not mandatory to add your own SKU, but I like to. And what I put in there is a short description. That's going to make it easy for me to search for my product later. And then I put my cost of goods at the end. And let's say we paid $1 a piece for each box, and we have 3 boxes. So that's going to be a $3 cost of goods. So we have Mead 40 security envelopes 3-pack. Condition is going to be new. If an item is new, do not put condition notes right here. Never put condition notes on a new product. Put in your price, and I have shipping when I merchant fulfill set to 0, but even if it's FBA, just totally disregard that number. Regardless of what it says for shipping, Amazon will charge your shipping for you if it's fulfillment by Amazon, not merchant fulfilled. So our price, if we look right up here, looks like most of them are selling for $5 plus $5 shipping, so about $10 is going to put us in the neighborhood. If you wanted to show that it was on sale, that's where this would be. So say you wanted to make the price normally $15, but for a limited time you're going to make it $10. Then you would simply select the start and end date of that sale. So that's just another option if you want to show it on sale. Most of the time I just do a standard price. I don't actually put anything on sale. So we're going to delete all this out. tax code. Envelopes would fall under the A general tax. There's really no other specific tax that would cover the envelopes, so we're just going to go with A general tax. Now, if you do have an item that is more specific, then you should always be as specific as possible in your tax coding. Start selling date, you can future date this if you choose to, otherwise it will default to the day that you add the product and it'll be for sale immediately. So we'll just leave that blank. And remember, this is for an existing product, so we don't have anything more to do here other than say how we're going to ship it. You can either ship it yourself, merchant fulfilled, or I want Amazon to ship it. That's FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. We're going to let Amazon fulfill this. We click Save and Finish, and we're done. Now, if you happen to accidentally click Next, you'll see this screen come up. And because it's an existing product, it says you can't add images, you can't do anything further. No big deal. All you have to do is click back over here to the Offer tab, and that'll take you right back to where you were. So all the information is saved, and we're ready to save and finish. And as soon as your items arrive at Amazon, you will see that you will be added with all these other sellers on the Amazon page. That's the quick way of adding your product to an existing product listing page on Amazon.